So Kosi, tell me, what really happened? Because the way I saw you back there in the market, you are not looking okay, as in, your face is telling me something else.
It all started after I lost my mother. What are you doing?
As you can see, I'm cleaning.
Oh no, Auntie, you shouldn't be doing this. Leave me there again.
No. Kosi, I am not tired.
Okay.
Nora. You should have given it to her now. You are overstressing yourself.
And I'm not complaining. See, after cleaning, I'll go and cook. So, my darling, what do you care for?
I want fried rice and Irish potatoes.
Oh, yes, my madam, I will. I will.
There you go. I know you won't care to ask me. Me, I want a lunch.
Dad, we are back.
Lucy, how are you? How are you?
Auntie Nora bought so many things for me today.
Really? Wow! Chai, Nora. Thank you so much, okay?
Stop! Your late wife was my very good friend. So, what I'm doing now is what I'm supposed to do.
So, thank you so much, okay?
All right.
Lucy, take those things inside. Alright, please, you can have this.
So tell me, what happened next?
Due to my stepmother's good character, I told my dad to. Daddy, good morning, sir.
Lucy, how are you?
I'm fine, Dad. Dad, there's something I want to tell you.
Hope all is well.
Yes, Dad.
Alright, come and sit down.
Okay, Dad. Dad, ever since Mom died, you have been lonely and it's bothering me.
Who says I'm lonely? I'm not lonely. Moreover, I have you.
I know that. You need a helper. I want you to get married to Auntie Nora.
What? Why on earth would you say such kind of thing? I can't share the love I have for your mom with another woman. Besides, I wouldn't want someone else to come into this home and start maltreating you.
I know that, but Auntie Nora is a good woman.
This is so unbelievable. You mean you were actually the one that told your father to get married to her? God. What has happened already. Okay? Everything happens for a reason. God will be there for you. Okay? Stop crying. Take heart. What happened next? How did your mother die?
On that fateful day.
Darling, I'll miss you so much. Honey, I'll miss you.
I'll miss you the more. But don't worry, I'll be back by next week. By then, the promotion exam will end.
Alright. Just do take good care of yourself, okay?
Mom, I want to come with you.
No, my daughter. Stay and take good care of your dad, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Look at me. Always be there for your father, okay?
Okay, Mom.
What happened next?
Listen, Kosi, let me tell you. I know it's very hard for you to bear it, but it's okay. It's only God knows the best. Kosi, look at me, stop crying, okay? You tears will not do anything. Please, can you stop? Can you stop, please? It's okay. Kosi, it's okay. Stop crying, okay? See, your tears will not solve anything. Either you feel sick, so stop crying. It's okay. I'm so sorry about the loss, okay? See, you have to put yourself together. It's okay. Kosi, stop crying. Look at me. See, your tears will not solve anything. Stop crying, okay? I know it's very hard for you to bear it. I know. I'm so sorry. It's okay, darling. It's okay. Come. My daughter, it's okay. It's okay. Kosi. Do you know I love you so much? It's okay, okay? Just be fine. Just be fine. It's okay.
What has happened already. Okay, stop crying. God will take control of everything. We will not abandon you at this time, alright? Let me get a food so you can eat. Okay. I hope you like it. It's very sweet. I want to see it. Before you get home, even if you're still mad at Mercy. Hope all is well.
All is well.
Alright, let me get you a seat, okay? Thank you. Alright. Have a seat. You're welcome. Come and join us. Thank you. Mercy now. Okay. Join us now. Thank you. Alright. You have to. This is my friend Kosi. Met her at the market today while hawking. She told me a lot of things about her family. And seriously speaking, she needs help. She seriously needs help. Seriously. Don't worry.
My sister, God is our maker. He is our provider. And He will see you through.
Yes.
Do you believe in that?
Yes, I believe.
Let's pray. La carabosi crema. Here yobamo. Here yobamo bia. Here yobamo bia. Asimi here yobamo eh. Here yobamo bia. Here yobamo bia. Asimi here yobamo. My sister, Kosi, God showed me something about you. Your family is in a serious danger.